Why does your scanner show the P242E engine code? What does it mean? P242E is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, intermittent or erratic bank, 1 sensor 3. The P242E engine code indicates that your ECM or PCM has detected unstable, jumpy, or implausible voltage readings from the third EGT sensor on the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed EGT sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Loose or corroded connector. Clogged or faulty DPF. Faulty engine control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, and Range Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel